Hey guys, this is Nanny, and I'm here in Yurakucho, which is pretty much the center of Tokyo, and I'm in the station right now, but this is pretty cool, pretty damn cool. It's a vending machine, but just not a regular vending machine. It's a touchscreen vending machine. So you see right here, this huge thing is a screen. And what you do is you press, you press the screen, and it will give you information about it. I think it's pretty damn cool. Unfortunately, I'm not thirsty at all, so I'm not gonna buy anything, but just wanted to share you some awesome stuff. Yeah, this is pretty damn cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. This was just a random video, and I'll see you guys next time. Sayonara.